Hey everybody, welcome back to Will It Mix? So today, I'm not sure what we're doing today. What are we mixing today, Stacy?
Well, Jacob.
All right, some context, okay? Some context. We've realized we've been doing this for like 2 months, and my name has not been said in any video. I always say, Stacy, what are we mixing today? And so she's like, what do you mean that your name has not been said? So, yeah. So what are we mixing today, Stacy?
First, Jacob. I can't even say your name now.
What, what we got?
Um,
What we got, Stacy?
well, Jacob, we have some flavor blasted extra cheddar goldfish.
No, I think Stacy's got one more. The regular?
Yeah, but they're Mickey.
They are Mickey. So, extra cheddar goldfish. And then we got the regular goldfish. And then we got the white base and the clear glue. Alright, so I'm gonna take my clear. I feel so bad. Like, I didn't realize I hadn't been saying my name in these videos. You know, it is what it is. We've been laughing about it for like a week, and she's like, oh, just wait. Okay, so. Cheddar blast on the product tastes amazing, as always.
I don't like those.
I could, like, these are so much better than regular goldfish.
I disagree. I'm just gonna sit over here and eat like always.
Okay, so I'm gonna create like a little enclave here. You guys know me. I'm getting the extra in there. What? What? I just want to make sure there's a lot in there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like. Let me see if I can like. Oh yes. I'm trying to make sure I keep them all in. Okay, let me see if I can show this to you guys. What do you guys think?
Like a little fish bowl.
It is like a little fish bowl. Oh,
There goes your mess, Jacob.
I'm just gonna be saying my name the whole video. I didn't realize I was doing it. I didn't even think about it. I didn't even think that I had said my name in like the last 2 months. Oh well. How you doing over there?
Just peachy. Oh, we should mix peaches.
You know what? Peaches would probably be pretty cool. Oh, good stretch. It it really hasn't done anything, right? Like it's there, and I mean, I guess like I can I can crunch it. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's definitely turning mine a little yellow, but
It's kind of like the Dorito one we did
yeah,
with
but
the clear.
the Doritos were still way better than this.
Yeah, this one's a float.
Maybe I add some more. What? I'm just making sure like I got
Oh,
plenty
you
in
said
there.
s'more. We should do s'mores.
S'mores would be pretty cool. Yeah, see that just I mean it's crunchy. It's cool feeling like you can
Mine just has like little specks in it.
yeah, see that. Like you can feel the gold like if you really crush it, you can feel the goldfish kind of like crush through the slime, which is kind of cool. it's I mean, it's definitely not as messy as I thought it was gonna be.
No. Because some of these have been really,
Really messy.
really messy. Sorry.
The
Lost my-
I think of like the bubble bath bomb thing that we did. That was
It was
so. It was so bad. It was so bad.
everywhere.
I don't know. Like, it's cool though. Like, I like the texture feel of it, and like, when you squish them, if you get a good one, that like you can kind of feel it like explode in the slime itself. So, will it mix? Yes. It's kind of like, like it's cool. It's definitely cool. It's a cool texture. It's not that messy. So if you want to do it with your kids, it's not too bad. It is a cool tech. It is a cool feeling like when you like crush the goldfish inside. So I mean, I would say it's like a 4 probably out of a 10. Like it wasn't like super amazing, but it wasn't super messy, which is always a plus on our side because it's less we have to clean up. But there you go. Will it mix goldfish, flavor blasted, extra cheddar, and then the regular? It will. It will. And we've had better. We've had better. I mean, I honestly, I say I don't want the mess, but I like when it's very messy and it's like we're not expecting it to be messy.
Not me. I have to clean it up. I was cleaning your mess up for you.
I know. I see that. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you guys. We appreciate all the comments. We appreciate all the views, all the followers, all the subscribers. Um, we'll see you in the next video, and we hope you have a great day.
Come on, Jacob. Oh no, don't turn my fan off, Jacob.
God. Okay.
Oh yeah, just get ready for it.
All right.